The first measurable criterion is frequency. The audio system should reproduce frequencies from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. I think that's clear to everyone and quite easy to measure. The acceptable unevenness for a good system is plus or minus 3 decibels. Professionals can detect unevenness of even 2 decibels by ear. It's all simple, but some audiophiles claim they can hear up to 30 kHz and rush to buy super tweeters and high-res recordings. The second criterion is that we must clearly distinguish the texture of the music we're listening to. For example, a cello, a guitar, and a vocalist are playing and singing the melody, and at every moment we hear the sound of each instrument and the singer's voice, and from each part a unified melody is woven together. Criterion number 2 is harder to measure, but quite easy to hear. It's enough to focus your attention on each instrument's part.